Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Wen Juria. My student number is 210205064. I'm from English Education Study Program PBI2 class, and in this video I will explain the text of methods of education East versus West. A teacher from a Western country recently teaches elementary school in an Asian country. Methods of education in elementary school in Asian and Western countries are very different. The visiting teacher watched the lessons and was surprised because in Asian students follow the direction given by teacher. For example, in art lesson, the teacher drew a big circle on the blackboard and students copied on their papers. Like my experience when I was in elementary school, I draw a bunch of balloons. The teacher gives an example on the blackboard and I follow and copy it in my drawing book. While in Western countries, students are free to draw and imagine that are different from others. In a society such as the United States or Canada, which has many national, religious, and cultural differences, people highly value individualism, the difference between people. In most Asian society, by contrast, the people have the same language, history, and culture. Perhaps for this reason, the educational system in much of the Orient reflects society belief in group goals and purpose rather than individualism. In everyday life, as Asian people, we have the same as when the motto of the Indonesian people is Bhinneka Tunggal Ika. Although there are differences, they are still one. There are advantages and disadvantages to both of the system of education. One advantage to the system in Japan is that students learn much more math and science than American. Students learn by the end of high school. A disadvantage: memorization is important in Japanese school, yet many students forget much information they have after an exam. The advantage to the educational system in North America, on the other hand, is that students learn to think for themselves. A disadvantage: when students graduate from high school, they haven't memorized as many basic rules and facts as students in other countries. As a student, we must be study hard because with knowledge we can change our degree. As in Surah Al-Mujadalah verse 11, Allah will exalt those who believe among you and those who were given knowledge by several degrees. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.